Today, we're comparing Sale Samurai and Marmalead, two powerful tools for optimizing online sales. Sale Samurai is designed to enhance Amazon product listings, while Marmalead focuses on Etsy. We'll explore their features, pricing structure, user experience, pros and cons, and alternatives to help you make an informed decision. Let's take a look at these tools' main features. Sale Samurai features include intelligent pipeline management. Sale Samurai offers advanced pipeline management capabilities, allowing users to visualize and track sales processes from lead generation to conversion. Automated email sequences. With Sale Samurai, users can automate email outreach and follow-up sequences, saving time and ensuring consistent communication with prospects. Customizable reporting. Sale Samurai provides customizable reporting tools, enabling users to analyze sales performance metrics to make data-driven decisions. Integration with third-party apps. Sale Samurai seamlessly integrates with popular third-party apps and tools, enhancing its functionality and adaptability to existing workflows. Marmalead features include SEO analysis. Marmalead offers SEO insights tailored for Etsy listings, including keyword suggestions. Listing grades. It provides a listing grade based on factors like SEO, engagement, and competition. Competitor comparison. Marmalead allows users to compare their listings with competitors for competitive advantage. Trend analysis. It offers trend data to help sellers capitalize on market trends. When it comes to pricing, Sale Samurai offers a starting plan at $29 per month, while Marmalead's basic plan starts at $19.99 per month. However, Sale Samurai provides more comprehensive features in its higher tier plans, while Marmalead offers a more affordable entry-level option. In terms of user experience, Sale Samurai boasts an intuitive interface with robust analytics tools, but some users find its learning curve a bit steep. On the other hand, Marmalead offers a user-friendly experience with its simple layout and helpful tutorials, making it ideal for beginners. However, advanced users might find its features somewhat limited compared to Sale Samurai. Sale Samurai offers comprehensive keyword research, advanced analytics, and competitor tracking as its main advantages. However, its higher pricing tiers and steep learning curve may deter some users. On the other hand, Marmalead provides a beginner-friendly interface, affordable pricing, and useful tutorials, making it appealing to entry-level users. Yet, Marmalead's features may seem limited compared to Sale Samurai, and its analytics may not be as robust. Alternatives to Sale Samurai and Marmalead include Helium 10 for Amazon sellers and eRank for Etsy users. Helium 10 offers a wide range of Amazon seller tools, including keyword research and listing optimization, while eRank provides Etsy-specific SEO tools and trend analysis. Ultimately, the choice between Sale Samurai and Marmalead depends on your specific needs and preferences. If you prioritize comprehensive analytics and are willing to invest in advanced features, Sale Samurai may be the better option here. However, if you're a beginner looking for an affordable and user-friendly solution, Marmalead could be the ideal choice. Don't forget to check out the description for links to both products and subscribe to EasyInternet for more tech comparisons and tips. Thanks for watching.